Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all my times on the 2x2. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to mess it up and I'm going to use the time and I'm going to show you the time just like this. So I'm going to, if it's like say 10 seconds, so I'll just bring the timer over and then show you. Alright, so yeah. Alright. There's my first solve, 7 seconds. Pretty happy with that one. I keep getting so lucky. There you are, 8 seconds. I'm probably going to do about 15 solves. Ooh, wee. Let's go. 6 seconds. I'm happy with that one. Thumbs up. All right. I messed up my algorithm. 10 seconds. Messed up my algorithm there. It's alright though. DNF, by the way. 10 seconds. I'm getting unlucky with the type of algorithms that I'm coming up into. Right. He'd be looking ahead of the cube. I need to be looking ahead of the cube. Keep getting 10 seconds because I'm looking at the cube for about 2 seconds. 10 seconds, 2 seconds. You see what I mean? Here we go. If I can get any ones anything under 10 seconds, I'm happy with. Sorry about the reflection of the light on the timer. Just my light that's right here. It's like a big spotlight. Gotta have that good setup. Oh, that's okay. See, it did it again. I'll just show it on oh my god. Alright, there we go. 8.360 seconds. There we go. 8.141 seconds. I don't think that's a +2. Is it? Yeah, it might be. So 10 seconds. Maybe. Wrong algorithm. Oh no. That's gonna have to hurt. That hurt a lot. 20 seconds. Wow. That was the worst time I've gotten in a long time. Wow. Right. .4. Concentrating. Alright. What? Alright. Oh my god, there's so many options. Nope, it just messed up. What if I put my fingers like this? Never mind. Oh, okay. I really have no idea how many solves I've done so far, but wow, big fat DNF on the board. That was 12 seconds, by the way. But it was DNF, so it's just still like a plus 2,000. Right. Oh my god. Let's freaking go, bro. 5 seconds. This is not going to be the best option, but I have to. Okay, I'm happy with it. Oh, I'm not happy with it. I didn't even... Well, that's bad, bro. Alright, bros. Stretch. Okay. What? Okay. I have no idea what this algorithm is. 8 seconds. Alright, only 2 more solves, and then I'll be done. Alright. Last solve. No, last solves. Do you see that crazy ending, though? 10 seconds. I was like speeding the turns there, though. Speed demon those turns, though. Just like... Yeah, exactly. 8.479. Alright, one more solve. I'm gonna mess this thing up. Basically mess this up for around... I really have no idea how long. There, that's good. Alright, this is really messed up now. No, I messed up my algorithm. No, that's not my solve. Nope. That is not my solve, okay? Okay? Just relax, bro. Alright, here we are. This is gonna be my solve. No! The thing glitched. Dang it. I saw it. That was 6 seconds, though. You can rewind that and see if it was 6 seconds, but pretty sure it was. So, there we are. Those are all my solves on the timer. So, I will see you guys next time. Bye.